Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gemini Twisted Beauty, and I'm here just giving a quick, fast, unplanned makeup tutorial. Stay tuned. Okay, so right now I'm just drinking some water. I'm dying of thirst. As you can see, I couldn't wait. I had to do it on camera. Starting off with a clean face, and I'm looking for something. Yeah, my ColourPop and Cool Coca brown, basically a dark brown. This is a pomade. And I'm going to start off with doing my brows. I'm brushing them up. And I'm just using a random spoolie. I couldn't find my Morphe spoolie that I usually use. And yeah, so I'm digging in right now. And I'm going to start my brows. Now, there's plenty of ways that I do my brows during makeup times, but it can vary. If I'm taking my time doing a look, if I'm doing a quick look. This is a quick look. I have somewhere to go, and I need to get there, but I need to look pretty at the same time. So as you can see, I started off with the line straight under my brow, and then I'll go on the top. The same to the other eye, just straight across, making my brows a little longer. One of them are longer than the other. This is a short one. So I'm doing the same thing. And actually, this is my problem brow. My brow. And yeah, so I'm filling that in. Okay, so right now, as you can see, I was just brushing through my brows just to distribute a product somewhat evenly, and so the front can look a little smoked out instead of like completely bold, because I want them to look a little real. And you know, brows are sisters, not twins, so of course one is gonna look woof and the other one is gonna look hey. That's the problem that I always go through. One of them just look fly as hell, and the other one is like, I'm here. Yeah, we all have those problems. Okay, so we're gonna jump right into the eyes. I'm using this Color Effects palette, the one that I actually have in my hand. It came in this month's BoxyCharm, and I'm using the blush color as a transition color, and I'm bringing it all the way up very close to my brow. At this point, I don't know what eye look I want to do. I'm just going along with it. I know the colors that I want to use, but I don't know exactly what I want to do. So, yeah, I'm just packing on that color because I want it to be, I don't know, visible. Yeah. So I'm going to use this other Morphe brush, and I'm going to use a dark color in the palette, and it's actually the contour color. I'm going to put that directly in my crease. And right now I'm just packing that on. And I'm packing that on the eye. And I'm going to bring it to the other side because I want to do like a kind of bootleg cut crease. Like it's a cut crease, but it's not, I don't know, it's my cut crease. So I'm just putting that dark color to basically make the cut crease pop. Yeah. So right now I'm just blending it out. Blend, 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 blend. You know, making the dark color, which is called contour, go into the blush color. So there's not any harsh lines. Yeah. Okay, so right now we're going to jump into the second palette, which is the Jordan and Kylie palette. I'm going to use the gold color, which is called Loyal. And yeah, I'm showing a concealer, but I'm not actually going to use that or that brush. I changed my mind very fast. I'm going to use this blue brush. I got it in an Ipsy bag. And then I'm going to use a matte concealer that I used at the beginning of the video. It's called Camouflage Matte, and it's from Essence. I like it. It's pretty dope. And what I'm going to do right now is somewhat of a cut crease, not really. Basically, I'm just laying down this concealer. So when I put that gold color, it could just pop and, basically it can look good and bright. So I'm applying it to the second eye. When I put it to this eye, I seen that I used too much product. So I tried to put some on the other eye and that didn't work out. So I had to blend that shit out. And yeah, it still came through. Okay, so don't mind me and those ugly ass faces that I'll be making. I can't help it. I'm kind of irritated because I need to hurry up. And then also, you guys can't see, but my son is right there bothering me. So I'm going to jump right into that beautiful gold color called Loyal. And I'm just putting it everywhere. I put the concealer. Not really trying to be perfect. I'm just placing it because I know I will go back with that dark color to get any harsh lines or anything like that. And this color is so beautiful. If you know me, you know I love gold and I wear a lot of gold on my eyes. So I had to go for it, especially when it's a quick look. I jumped back into the Cover FX palette with that contour color just to go back over my crease so the gold doesn't look like it's going above my lid. And yeah, I just wanted to look real deep, I guess. You guys, I gotta learn how to use my words, right? I gotta learn how to use my makeup words. So I'm blending that out so we can go into the blush color, and then I'm going above and, just making sure everything is blended out. Once again, I just want to remind you guys that, this is a quick look. It's not planned. So, I'm just going with the flow. I'm trying to take that dark color now and put it at the end of my eye. Now I'm just like, I just want to smoke out the end. I have no idea why. I think it looked better to me. And yeah, so I'm smoking it out. And I have no idea what the fuck I'm going to do next. My mind is going crazy and I have a toddler that is driving me crazy. hmm So right now I feel like I'm completely, somewhat done with my eyes. I'm going to use this Kiss Lashes. So freaking beautiful. I forgot the name, but they're like some mink lashes. They were no more than $9 in my local beauty supply store. And these shits are so dope. Like, come on. So I applied them off cam, obviously. And I'm still going back to blend, blend, blend. Right now I'm going to moisturize my face with the Palms, which is an OG classic for me. I use this before makeup, and then also when I'm not using makeup, you guys should really, really use this. It's good for dry skin and to very oily skin. So I use that on my cheeks. I think I put some on my forehead. I always forget the forehead, you guys. And right now I'm using the Cover FX primer. I love this primer. This is good if you have oily skin. It's banging. I have combination skin, but in the middle up there and then close to my nose it gets very oily. And the foundation I'm going to use is the Maybelline Superstay, and the color, I'm trying to figure it out. It's honey, and actually this color is a little too dark. It'll be great for me in the summertime, but I wasn't worried about it because once I put the concealer, everything will go better. It's better to always have your foundation a little dark because you can always lift it with the concealer that you're going to put on. So I'm putting this all over my face with a crown brush. I love this brush to put foundation on. And yeah, the color is not that bad, but honestly, in a few months, this will look so much more flawless on me in the summertime. This is actually my first time using it, like completely on my face and going somewhere. And yeah, I like it. It's a little buildable. It's more buildable than the Fit Me, but I wouldn't say it's like high end full coverage. But you can build this. Okay, so for concealer, I'm gonna use the Born This Way concealer, and this is full coverage. I'm gonna put it under my eyes, basically all the areas where I want to highlight. I love this concealer. When I go restock this color, which is gonna be soon, I actually want to get a color that's close to my skin too. So when I do looks without foundation, I can use it because that concealer is really dope. Just blending it out with a beauty sponge. And when I do have, when I do a full coverage face, I do like bright under eye. Not that bright, you know, but I like it to be a little lighter unless it's like a natural look. Just blending it all out. And if you don't have that concealer, you really should get it. Um, it is almost about $30, but honestly, it's worth it. And right now I'm going to set and I'm going to use the air spun. I hate the smell of the air spun. If you like fragrant smell, this will be perfect for you. I don't like anything like with perfume on my face, but honestly, I tolerate it with this because I really like it a lot. And it's just a strong smell, but so right now I'm gonna make a big fucking mistake. I'm gonna use this pure palette that I got in one of my Boxy Charms, and I'm gonna use it. It is a contour and highlight palette, and my dumbass is gonna use it to contour my face. Now I'm saying that about myself because it looks patchy, and that's one reason why I never use this palette for contour. I was in a rush. I picked it up. I don't know why I picked it up, and my hair is all in the way. I'm thinking it's my hair, but I totally forgot. I only use this palette for my eye looks because it just doesn't go well when I use it as contour. So right now I'm pissed as hell. As you can see, I'm fucking mad, okay? And yeah, I'm like, what am I gonna do now? You know, I'm using a brush everywhere. Everything is fucked up right now. So I'm so stressed. I take out the brush because the hairs are killing me. And right now inside, I'm blaming it on my hair, not remembering like this shit is so ashy on your face cast. I'm like, what can I do next? Mario spray to the fucking rescue. Okay, so I used my Mario spray, and as you can see, I forgot to cover my eyes and I really OD'd on it. I don't know why I put that much. My life is ending right now. I don't know what to do. I'm a wet, dry ass, ashy. It's just that contour makes my shit look so ashy, even though it's wet. It makes my cheeks look dirty. I hate that shit for contour. So right now I'm thinking what to do. And I don't know. I guess I chose to do my under eye with the same blush color that I was using. I'm just going under my eye with it. Honestly, this shit is a fail right now to me. And yeah. Okay, so I'm just going back under my eyes with the contour palette with a more detailed Morphe brush. Basically the one that I used in my crease because I was making a mess with that other one. And I'm just blending it out. For the under eye, I really don't care if it is looks crazy because I kind of like that look under the eye. I don't like it to be perfect. I like it to be smoked out. And yeah. So I'm contouring my nose. I have no idea why with the same brush that I was just doing my under eye with. I never use that Cover FX palette before to contour. And I don't know. Right now, I'm not a pro at contouring the nose, but this shit is a fail. But trust me, it's all gonna come together in a second. I just want to add on, like, my cheeks look so fucking nasty and dry. Like, that contour shit really enhanced the fucking bumps on my cheeks. Okay. So I'm taking the Master Chrome, the Maybelline. I put it in my inner quarters. Or my inner corners, I didn't record it. I put it on my lips and now my cheeks, and I'm blending it out. This is affordable highlighter. If you don't have it, you should get it. And I love it. I love it so much. Like, come on, look at it. That highlight is banging. And I'm going to jump into my lips. I'm going to use a lip kit, Kylie. And it's going to be in Candy K. And I was so in a rush. I actually wanted a little darker than this lip kit. I don't know. As you can see, I was everywhere. It's like a pink. And I was like, oh, shit. But then I was like, you know what? It kind of looks nice. It's my first time using it. I don't know. I thought we were supposed to sharpen it. I don't know if we are. I don't know. I'm supposed to roll it up. I tried to right there. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? I'm like, hold on. They're going to think I'm stupid. Putting it all over my lip as she tells you to. The lip liner has to go all over your lip. And then I apply the matte lipstick, which is fucking flawless. It's beautiful. I never tried Kylie obviously. But I would never buy it full price. Has to be a discount. Okay, so right now I'm looking for something to do like an ombre look. And I use this Ruby Kisses, which is like a dupe for Kylie. It's a dupe. But it's not as bright as I thought it was, but it still looks kind of cute. So I'm going to leave it. Right now I'm going to set my face with the Ulta Spray. And it's the moisturizing one. And yeah. So this completes the look, you guys. Thank you so much. And you see, it's not that bad. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.